Our today's topic is basic concepts of SEO. After having posted 7 episodes of SEO, I observed that many people don't even know the basic concepts of SEO. This SEO Episodes series will continue. So I've decided to train the newbies from the beginning to advance through these series. So, should you start this from the episode? Yup, but late. So, the first question that everyone newbie asks is, what is SEO? The methods which are used to improve the search engine ranking. Or it's the process to bring your website to the top of Google. What is a keyword? Any word or words you write into the box of a search engine is a keyword or keywords. Some are short-tail keywords and some are long-tail keywords. Short-tail keywords consist of 1 or 2 words, whereas long-tail keywords consist of more than 2 words. For example, bloggers funder is a 2-word keyword which is a short-tail keyword. Take another example, bloggers funder would be the best group on Facebook is a long-tail keyword which consists of 9 words. Why do we find long-tail keywords first? Because short keywords have high competition. You first rank your website for long-tail keywords. When your website gets good authority, then you can rank your websites for short-tail keyword tool. The second reason is that they are not relevant. The person who is typing cars, we don't know either he wants to buy a car or he is searching for its wallpapers. There is no use to work on one-word keyword. There is so much high competition. We search for long-tail keywords because of low competition. Daily about 7 billion searches are done on Google, among them 20 to 30% are those searches on which people don't get satisfied answers. We find that keywords via keyword research, then we work on that keyword and rank. As I gave an example in my yesterday video. This keyword is a high competition keyword because a lot of articles have been written on that, and it has a monthly search of 12,000 how to buy a car. Then I found a keyword via keyword search, T-Mobile insurance, that has a monthly search 22,000 because it's a low competition keyword. You will write an article on that via good on page, that I will discuss in the future episodes, and a few backlinks you will get ranked. You will get most of the traffic for that keyword with ease. I will recommend reading the first and second episodes now. Missed previous episodes? Watch it below, you can find the series link. Don't forget to like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.